This pie chart gives information about social media usage by age group. From the picture, we can see the share of age 55 to 64 is 16.7%. For age 25 to 34, the percentage is higher, which is 22.1%. The highest proportion is for age 18 to 24, around 22.6%. And the lowest one is for 45 to 54, just 11.6%. There are also many other age groups, such as 35 to 44 and 65 plus. To sum up, the graph tells about social media usage.
This pie chart gives information about website traffic source analysis. From the picture, we can see the share of paid search is 13.3%. For social media, the percentage is higher, which is 17.6%. The highest proportion is for referral, around 22.4%, and the lowest one is for direct, just 8.9%. There are also many other sources, such as organic search and email. To sum up, the graph tells about website traffic source.
This bar chart gives information about car brand sales. From the picture, we can see sales of BMW are 0.9. For Nissan, the sales are higher, around 0.1. The highest value is for Mercedes, which is 1.3, and the lowest number is for Volkswagen, just 0.5. There are also many other car brands, such as Tesla, Kia, and Ford. To sum up, the graph tells about car brand sales.
This line chart gives information about how annual temperature changed in Europe. From the picture, we can see in 2004, the average temperature was 13 degrees. In 2006, the average temperature was lower, which was 12 degrees. The highest one was in 2020, around 16 degrees, and the lowest value in 2003, below 11 degrees. From 2000 to 2020, the average temperature in Europe was generally rising. To sum up, the graph tells about annual temperature.
This picture gives information about how the human has evolved from the ape. The first step was from the ape to the Australopithecus, when the ape began to walk erectly. The second step was that the Australopithecus began to walk in a completely erect way, with the legs becoming longer. The third step was that the Homo erectus evolved to the Homo sapiens, and the latter was smarter than the former. The final step was that the Homo sapiens became the modern human. To sum up, the graph tells about how the human has evolved. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.